gonna go get soup at the Hung Yen.
I'm not sticking around.
They're not open on Tuesday.
No, not open on Wednesday. Hey, we could go get.
Tearing me apart.
We could go get Chicago beef.
Oh my word! Don't fucking tempt me, you fucker.
Man, with some marinara.
They're gonna be closed.
What?
Nah.
Chicago.
Oh, Chicago.
I think, I don't know.
Ask Tim if he wants to go to Hung Yen.
What do you say?
We're not going nowhere. No, we're not going nowhere.
Wow. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go someplace good.
Oh, he's got money.
No, I got, yeah, 29 bucks. I might go there, or Mama G's. Mama G's, downtown, it's soul food.
Mama Jean's has food?
Not Mama Jean's, Mama G.
Oh. Yeah, I want to try that place.
Soul food. Alright, I'm going back in.
Okay, bye.
So we could go to Casper.
Nothing's gonna be open. We're fucking in line. Nothing's fucking happening right now.
Oh, stop whining. You're talking to me now. Stop whining. Man.
I don't know when I'll be home.
I'm either gonna go to Clayton or Hooters.
And I think Mike wants to go out to eat with them now. So I'll let you know. Oh man. There, motherfucker.
Who is this?
This is Tim.
Is this Sandy?
Did you hear what he said?
What do you say?
I'm done with her. I left her last night. I got out of bed and left her. She's having a guy over. And maybe I should just
go. The guy was over when he left her?
Maybe I should just go over there and come on her face.
Man. He's just in it for the sex. I'll go over there and jizz on her face and she'll smother to death. She'll drown in my jizz. She'll drown in my jizz. Man, everybody's at Culver's tonight. Half off burgers, one night only. Man, I'm gonna have a fabulous dinner tonight. You guys are gonna be at home.
I fucking just told you I might go with you.
Who?
Me.
Dashy? Hey, let's go to corner 20. Let's go to corner 21.
Really?
Oh, dude. Yeah, I love this song.
Damn. Everybody just got in fucking line.